The Valencia Oranges move slowly along the staging belt, allowing residual water to drain completely.
This intensive sanitization phase is crucial for eliminating any remaining surface bacteria or yeast.
This high-throughput FMC extractor ensures the Valencia Oranges are immediately separated into the NFC liquid stream and the solid peel residue. Dozens of towering FMC extractor units operate in perfect unison. At this scale,
The golden yellow NFC juice flows into these intermediate stainless steel holding tanks, where the temperature is
The golden yellow NFC juice flows rapidly toward the high-temperature, short-time pasteurization unit.
The temperature spike is holding steady at 105 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. The flow rate is optimized for the O-15 batch.
Inside the final section of the plate heat exchanger, cold water rapidly pulls the heat from the NFC juice.
This intensive sterilization ensures the packaging environment is completely free of microbes, guaranteeing the...
A bank of precision nozzles rapidly injects the chilled NFC Juice O-15 into sterilized cartons, minimizing foaming and spillage.
The NFC juice is loaded into the temperature-controlled trailer. The insulated dock door quickly seals the cold chain, and
From the factory floor to the open highway, the distribution phase for NFC Juice O-15 is now underway.
NFC Juice O-15. The successful journey from Valencia Orange to your table, complete.
This emptiness confirms the process separation lock. The NFC Juice O-15 is gone for good, allowing us to... The thick, enclosed pipe system carries the orange peel byproduct into this dedicated processing area, beginning the sequence for the dried pellets.
The wet, shredded Valencia orange peel residue falls onto a series of heavy-duty metal hammer mills and grinders.
The finely shredded Valencia orange peel residue is forced through a massive, rotating screw press, which exerts...
The completely dry, orange fibrous material exits the rotary dryer and falls onto a wide conveyor belt.
The cooled, dry, fibrous material enters a high-speed grinding unit, reducing it to a fine, uniform...
minutes for it. As the newly formed pellets travel along the vibrating cooler, ambient air is pulled rapidly through the mesh.
Process B quality confirmed. The sample is ready for archival.
We are seeing a steady flow rate here.
Yes, and the tally just confirmed the successful completion of the batch run.
Confirmed, 20 tons of the orange peel pellets. Destination, Bay 4B.
That is correct. All manifests are approved. Safe travels.
Easy back, keep it coming slow.
All right, hold it. Stop right there.
Rich in fiber and energy, these pellets maximize the utility of the original Valencia orange raw material.
Smells great, very consistent, high quality feed.
From premium juice to highly useful dried Valencia orange peel pellets, we've successfully concluded the industrial process narrative.
Her robust condition is clear.
This specialized feed, utilizing the Valencia orange peel,
The seamless flow of Valencia orange peel pellets ensures consistent, timely deliveries to the agricultural sector.
After the premium NFC juice is extracted, we utilize every component. These dark brown pellets